Hey guys, Jason Digos from Boss Audio here, and today we're going to talk to you about some really cool new functionality that's available on Boss Elite WX head units. We're now compatible with iDataLink Maestro, so be sure to check out their website on full vehicle compatibility. And if you've already got a Boss Elite WX head unit, you can download the software update on bosselite.com. So we're going to talk about one of the newest functions in our Boss Elite head units, iDataLink Maestro compatibility. So this is going to be available in all Boss Elite head units ending in WX. In this truck, we have the BE9 ACP.WX installed with the iDataLink Maestro interface. So some of the really cool functions that are available now, you'll see this vehicle icon with the eye. You can click on that and it'll give us vehicle info. So it'll tell me that I'm in park, my check engine light, if it's okay or if there's a fault. It'll give me doors open or closed, and also my battery voltage. Now, all of these functions are going to differ from car to car, so make sure you check out the iDataLink Maestro website for vehicle compatibility. In this particular truck, we do have access to certain gauges, and these are all customizable as well. So we can arrange the gauges, we can have the speedometer up here, it does have a compass on board. We also have, in this particular vehicle, parking assist, so parking sensors will come up, and also there are dynamic parking lines with the backup camera. So all of these are available in the OEM settings. The other really cool thing that's available with the iDataLink Maestro is climate control functionality on your head unit. So on this particular unit, that functionality is available with all your climate control, heated seats, heated steering wheel if it's available. So again, just check that compatibility for your vehicle, but all of the new Boss Elite head units ending in WX will have this Maestro compatibility. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video today. Be sure to check out the iDataLink Maestro website for full vehicle compatibility. And for product updates, check out bosselite.com. My name is Jason Digos for Boss Audio. Be sure to live life in full volume.